If you enjoy the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Imagine a car that not only redefines what it means to be electric, but also breaks the mold of conventional design and performance. Enter the Kia EV6. It's not just another electric vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, speed, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a tech enthusiast, or simply looking for a glimpse into the future of driving, the Kia EV6 promises to surprise, excite, and inspire. Ready to discover the car that's setting the pace for a new era? Let's dive into the world of the Kia EV6. The Kia EV6 in the spotlight. The Kia EV6 has received overwhelmingly positive reviews since its launch. Critics and users alike have praised the vehicle for its innovative design, efficient performance, and impressive range. Car and Driver, for example, highlighted the EV6's striking appearance, roomy interior, and the impressive driving dynamics that distinguish it from its competitors. The EV6's exterior design, featuring a bold and futuristic look, has been lauded for setting a new design language for Kia's future electric vehicles. The EV6's interior is also a standout, with reviewers appreciating its spaciousness and high-quality materials. The cabin is designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious experience, with an emphasis on sustainability. The use of eco-friendly materials, such as recycled plastics, aligns with the EV6's eco-conscious mission. The dual 12.3-inch curved display screens, which serve as both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, are intuitive and easy to use, offering a blend of advanced technology and functionality. Moreover, the EV6 has been praised for its impressive range and fast charging capabilities. Depending on the variant, the EV6 offers a range of up to 310 miles on a single charge. Additionally, the 800-volt architecture allows for ultra-fast charging, which can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. This feature has been particularly well received by users who prioritize long-distance travel and quick charging stops. However, some critics have noted a few drawbacks, such as the lack of physical climate controls, which can make it challenging to adjust settings while driving. Additionally, while the EV6 offers a smooth and comfortable ride, it may not provide the same level of refinement in terms of ride quality as some luxury electric vehicles. 2. Maintenance. Keeping the EV6 in top shape. Maintenance for the Kia EV6 is relatively straightforward compared to traditional internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles thanks to its electric powertrain. With fewer moving parts, the EV6 requires less frequent maintenance, reducing the overall cost of ownership. Key maintenance tasks include routine checks of the electric drivetrain, battery, brakes, tires, and cooling systems. The most significant component in terms of maintenance is the battery pack. Kia provides an extensive warranty for the EV6's battery, typically covering 10 years or 100,000 miles, which provides peace of mind to owners. Regular inspections of the battery's health are essential, especially to ensure that the cooling system is functioning correctly, as this is critical for maintaining battery efficiency and longevity. Brakes on the EV6 require less frequent servicing due to regenerative braking, which reduces wear on the brake pads. However, regular checks are necessary to ensure they are in good working condition. Tire maintenance remains a standard requirement, as electric vehicles like the EV6 can wear out tires faster due to their heavier weight and instant torque. Regular software updates are also a part of the maintenance routine for the EV6. Kia frequently releases updates to enhance vehicle performance, fix bugs, and introduce new features. These updates can usually be installed over the air, making it convenient for owners to keep their vehicles up to date. 3. Modifications. Personalizing the EV6. Modifying electric vehicles is a growing trend among EV enthusiasts, and the Kia EV6 is no exception. Owners looking to personalize their EV6 have a variety of modification options. Common modifications include custom wheels and tires, upgraded suspension components, exterior wraps or paint protection, and interior enhancements like custom upholstery or added tech features. One popular area of modification is the installation of aftermarket wheels and tires, which can improve handling and give the vehicle a unique appearance. Suspension upgrades, such as lower-end kits or adjustable coilovers, can also enhance the vehicle's performance by improving cornering ability and reducing body roll. For those interested in aesthetics, vinyl wraps and paint protection films are common choices. These modifications not only change the vehicle's appearance but also protect the original paintwork from chips, scratches, and other damage. Additionally, interior customization options like custom seat covers, floor mats, and ambient lighting can personalize the cabin environment. However, it's important to note that certain modifications may void the vehicle's warranty, especially if they affect the powertrain or electrical system. Therefore, owners should carefully consider the potential impact of modifications on their vehicle's warranty and consult with KIA-certified professionals when making significant changes. 4. Performance. An electric powerhouse. The Kia EV6 is available in several variants, each offering different performance characteristics to cater to a wide range of drivers. The base model comes with a single-motor setup and rear-wheel drive, RDB, delivering 167 horsepower and a 58 kilowatt-hours battery pack, providing an estimated range of up to 232 miles. For those seeking more power, the EV6 is also available with a dual-motor all-wheel drive, ADDV configuration. The dual-motor variant can produce up to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. The ADD models come with a larger 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack, extending the range to around 274 miles. At the top of the range, the Kia EV6 GT model takes performance to a new level. With 576 horsepower and 545 pound-feet of torque, the GT model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds. This model is designed to compete with high-performance electric vehicles from other manufacturers, such as the Tesla Model Y Performance and the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. The EV6 GT also features an electronically controlled suspension, a limited-slip differential, and high-performance brakes, ensuring it delivers a thrilling driving experience.